Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen. This is just Jen's things. These are things that make me smile. We are back in my loft today, and I have been meaning to do this video for, oh my gosh, like so many months. And I finally went ahead and signed back up for Amazon Prime. I know, guys, we lived without it for so long. And now I have all of the components in, and we are going to decant my broken spray mist and make new bottles. So if you're interested in how I'm gonna do this, just keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, so what I did is I ordered some plastic bottles. These are about 8 ounces. I'm gonna show you what they look like. I ordered some funnels off of Amazon. This was just like a multi-pack, but I wanted to make sure that I had enough in case I ever needed to do this again. So I ordered some funnels. Just set those there. I ordered some smaller kind of like travel size bottles just to kind of have on stock, or you know, in my back stock, I guess, in case I needed to ever do this again. I could have like travel sizes if I was interested. And then I ordered 4 of these. I guess well, here's the brand of what they were. These are 8 ounce bottles with nozzles, lids. Kind of basic. You can go with any type of brand off of Amazon. This is just kind of what I chose. I've already made labels. So this one says leaves because the first bottle of leaves that I had bought, this is the first one, the nozzle up top had just broken off when it fell one time. So what I did is I followed the tutorial video from Kiki Scented Lounge, and she mentioned about using a pair of pliers. So that's actually what I did, and it was the easiest for me. I've already done this one, and then we'll do the next one. So this piece of the nozzle came off first with the pliers. You can see it's all beat up now. And then I was able to take this off. So we're just gonna take this off. Here's the bottle. And I already have this one with the funnel in. We'll just see how this kind of works. Hopefully it goes okay. Yep, there we go, guys. So as you guys can see, I mean, it's filling it up really well. Whoops. Just trying not to spill any, and of course I was, I was gonna end up spilling some of it. I was trying not to though. Whoops. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. So it did. It took the entire bottle from Bath & Body Works into this brand. So I'm really happy about that. This will just end up going into my empties, guys. And I do actually have another backup, but this is the one that I'm going to be using right now. I'm just going to take my funnel out of here. It smells so good. I love this scent. And I can use this as a room spray or, the body spray, anything like that. And there's my label that we made with Rob's new label maker. So it's not, a really pretty label, but guys, I can still use it. So I'm super excited about that. This is one of my favorite scents. So we have that one. This is all done. We'll put this kind of back in here. And then we will just put this in my empties, I'm assuming, I think that's what I'll just do. I'll just put it in my empties, but there you go, guys. So let's work on this one. This one I was so nervous about because, guys, this is the only bottle I have. I was so nervous, but let's go ahead and do this one. So as you guys can see, the little nozzle had broken off. I can't use it anymore at all. Here's the cap. We're just gonna stick that in there. And let me get this one ready. So here's the bottle that I made for Twilight Woods. We're just gonna stick the nozzle over here. And then we'll just do that. And let's get started. Let's see how long this one takes me. The other one I think took me like 3 or 4 minutes to do. So it went a lot quicker than I thought. And Kiki said, depending on how much pressure you really put on these, sometimes they can come off super fast and sometimes they'll take just a little bit longer to kind of get it off. I was so nervous to do this, guys, but it goes a lot easier than I thought it was going to at all. I don't know why I was always so nervous to do this. I don't know, guys. Have you ever done this with any of your bottles that have broken? I mean, I've kept mine for months and months since they broke, and I was just too nervous to try. But as you guys can tell, I'm not sure if you guys can tell too well, it is starting to go ahead and to come off now. So let's get this. Okay, here's one piece. So that piece just came off, as you guys can see. That came off really easy, guys. It wasn't difficult at all. I was surprised by that. Now I know, like Kiki said, and Kat from The Incredible Life of Kat, they've all done like different methods to get these off. This was just the easiest one that I could think of to do. I think this will come off pretty easily. We'll see. Why are these so hard to do? We almost got it, guys. And let me know if you guys have ever done this or if you guys had an easier way of doing this. I would love to know. And what is one scent that you have that maybe like you've kept that has a broken nozzle? And what's prevented you from doing this finally? But it's getting close to fall and I want to wear Twilight Woods so much. So I'm gonna finally wear it this fall. At least that's the plan. That's the plan. This one is taking a lot longer than I thought it was going to. We'll get there eventually. This is not easy, guys. Oh, I got it! Yay! You guys, I got it! Okay, so we're just gonna take that piece out. Whew, that was a lot. Okay, and I thought about just using the funnel I already had, but that definitely smells like leaves. So I'm gonna take this funnel out and I'm going to set this here and I'm gonna get out a clean funnel. If I can ever open this back up again. Okay, let's use a clean funnel for this. definitely. Okay, there's my funnel. Now let's do this. Whoops, dang it. Crap. Definitely smells beautiful. I'm spilling this everywhere. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Yay. So this one filled up, even though I spilled some, it did definitely fill up. And it is such a pretty kind of like lavender purple liquid. And there you go, guys. Twilight Woods. I am so excited with this. So here's my bottles. I'm pretty happy about it. Tell me what you guys think, if you'd ever be willing to try this, if you needed to decant any of your body splashes or, you know, your body sprays. I'd love to know in the comments if you would go ahead and be interested in doing this as well. It was easier than I thought it was gonna be. I did spill Twilight Woods, so that didn't make me too happy. But I'm gonna keep these on hand, and then if I ever break another bottle, I'll be able to decant that one too. Anyway, guys, that's all for the video today, and I will catch you in my next video, friends. Bye.
They move too fast, honey. For pictures. Not me again.